Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to display table data or column values based upon a certain length in MySQL. So let's get started. So first let me explain you what I mean by certain column length. So first let me select asterisk from my table. I will display the table values. So I will select and run it. Yeah, so these are the name and roll number that is present in my table. So what I meant by certain length is that if I give the certain length as less than 3 for this name column, I need to get the output as hi and a, because all the other names present in it are having length greater than 3. So if I give greater than 3, I need to get hello, this particular name and this particular name. Hi and a should be neglected because that has length less than 3. So basically we are filtering a particular column's value based upon a certain length. So I will show you how to do that. So for that we will be using the exact same command. It's going to be select asterisk from student, that is your table name, and after that we need to add the where clause. So it's going to be where, and we need to use the char underscore length inbuilt function. So just type char underscore, you will be having this char underscore length, and in that we need to pass the name of our column. So here I want to filter based out of the name column, so I will go with name. And next thing we need to give the condition as well. So first I will go with condition as less than 3. So this will basically give us two values, hi and a. So it will display all the names present in the name column with length less than 3. Yeah, so if I just now run it, you can also select anything. I'm just going with asterisk. You can like customize it based upon your need. So here you can see I am having hi and a, just 3 like rows are getting neglected. And if I just now go and give greater than 3, yeah, I will just go here and greater than 3, and if I just now run it, I'll be getting the remaining rows that wasn't displayed earlier. Yeah, so you can see greater than 3. So this is how you do it, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also done many other tutorials in MySQL, MongoDB, C, C++, Java, Python, CRUD using Node.js and MongoDB as well. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.